Hello dear students, this is Mansi Patel from Samarpan Gyan School. Today we are going to study class 3 maths. So we are using textbook page number 73. Multiply by 8. We are done with multiply by 7. Now this is multiply by 8. Students, you can see clearly multiplication facts over here. 8 plus 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 8. 8 number addition 8 times. Okay, 8 number is there and addition is 8 times. So 8 is a. Now you should know table of 8 very clearly. So 8 8s are 64. You can directly write 64. 8 group of 8 are 64 and 8 8s are 64. The same thing over here, but 8 is addition 1 more extra 8. Okay, so 8 is addition by 9 times. So this is 8 9s are or else 9 8s are. Now you should know 8 9s are 72. So the answer is 72. There is 8 bunch of wooden stick. Okay, and total bunch are 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So total bunch are 9 and in one bunch there is 8 stick. So total there are 72 stick. Okay, because 8 9s are 72 or 9 8s are similar. Now building the 8 times table, counting the numbers of petals using the order property. Now you can see the petal 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. In a one flower there is 8 petal. So 1 into 8 is equal to 8 and 8 ones are 8. Same 2 into 8, 2 flowers. Okay, so 2 flowers, one flower have 8 petal. So 2 flower have how many petal? So 2 8 is a 16. 8 2s are also 16. 1 2 and 3 flowers are there. In one flower there is 8 petal. So in 3 flower there is 3 8 is a 24. So 8 3s are also 24. 4 flowers are there. 1 2 3 4 and in one flower there is 8 petals. So in 4 flower how many petals? So 1 2 3 4. 4 flowers into one flower there is 8. So 4 flower have 4 8 is a 4 8s are 32. So similarly 8 4s are also 32. It is completely same. Now if you know the table, you can directly write 8 1s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 8 3s are 24, 8 4s are 32, 8 5s are 40, 8 6s are 48, 8 7s are 56, 8 8s are 64, 8 9s are 72 and 8 10s are 80. The same answer will come here also. Completely same. Okay, so don't need to count petals. Look for a pattern and fill in the blanks. Now you have to see the pattern over here. You can see students pattern 8 1s are 8. So 10 minus 2 is equal to 8. 2 8s are 16. So 20 minus 4 is equal to 16. Now 3 into 8 means 3 8s are 24. So 30 minus what? Then answer you get 24. So 30 minus 6, then answer 24. 4 8s are 32. So what minus 8 is equal to 32? So 40 minus 8 is equal to 32. 5 8s are 40. Okay, so 50 minus 10 is equal to 40. This is pattern, student. You can see 10 20 30 40 50, 2 4 6 8 10. This is even number. 2 plus 2 4, 4 plus 2 6, 6 plus 2 8, 8 plus 2 10, and here 10 10 increasing 10 20 30 40 50. One table, so 10. 2 table to 20, third table to 30, 4 table to 40, 5 table to 50. Ones double, 1 into 1, 2, 2 into 2, 4, 3 into 3, 6, 4 into 4, 8, 5 into 5, 10. Understood? So this is pattern that you have to continue here also. 6, 8 is the. So answer is 48. Now 50 is here. So here it is 60. 10 is here. So here it is 12. Because 10 we have to add 2. So 6 and 6 plus 6 also 12. So 12. Now 60 minus 12 is equal to 42. Correct answer. 7 into 8. Okay. So 7 8 is 56. So here 60. So what comes after 60? 70. Okay. And 7 plus 7? 14. 12 plus 2 also 14. And 70 minus 14 is equal to 56. 8 into 8. 8 8 is 64. What comes next? 80. 80 minus 16. Like that you have to complete next also. Okay. So this is pattern. Page number 74. Exercise 4B that you have to do. Build 8 table. So you have to build your 8 table. Complete activity, record table in your notebook. So students, here one table is here. 1 8 8 is here. You can see 2 8 16 is also here. Now you have to rest of the table complete in your notebook with the same pattern. Now you can see here the Rajma sheets 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, so you just have to draw Rajma sheets like this. Okay, like this you can draw 8 Rajma sheets in a one box. Fine. So 3 8 24, 4 8 32, 5 8 40. Like that you have to complete this figure in your notebook, maths notebook. Okay, because first one and second one is here. Rest of the 3 to 10 that you have to draw in your notebook. Fine. Next question. You don't need to write this second question in your notebook. You have to do in textbook only. 8 into 8. 8 8 64. So 64 minus 64 is equal to 0 0. 8 into 8, that is 64 into 8 into 8 means that is also 64. 64 into 64 into 0. So if any number multiplication with 0, answer directly come 0, because this is only rule of multiplication. If any number multiply with 0, the complete number becomes 0. You can see 8 into 8 64, 8 into 8 64, 64 into 64 into 10. 0. So because of this 0, the complete number become 0. Because if any number multiply with 0, the answer is 0. It is rule of multiplication. Next question. 1 8 8 into 1 8 8 into 1. So 8 into 8, that is 64. 1 8 8. 8 1 8. 8 8 64. 64 1 64. Understood? 9 into 8. So 9 8 72. 72 into 1. Okay, so it is 72. And minus 0. So answer is the same, 72. Okay. Complete the filling the blanks. Question number 3. 3 spider have dash legs. 1 spider have how many legs? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. If 1 spider have 8 legs, then 8 spider have 8 into 8. Okay. If 1 spider have 8 legs, then 8 spider have how many legs? So 8 into 8. 8 8 64. 9 octopus have dash legs. So 1 octopus have how many legs? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. If 1 octopus have 8 legs, then 9 octopus have how many legs? So 8 into 9, 8 nines are 72. Okay. Now this is the filling the blanks according to table. Dash into 4 is equal to 32. So 8 into 4, because 8 fours are 32. Dash 8 into dash is equal to 72. So 8 nines are 72. If you know the table, you can do this complete very fast. Use first fact to find the second product. What happened here? So 8 into 4 is 32. So you have to now answer 8 into 5, but you have to use this first answer 32. So solution is here. 8 into 4 is equal to 32. Okay, so 8 fours are 32. Now you have to do the second answer. No, so you have to add 8 in the answer, and your next answer is 40. If they ask 8 into 6, then what you will do? 40 is answer, and 40 plus 8, so it is 48. So 8 6 are 48. If they ask 8 7s are what? So 48 plus 8. So your answer is 56. So 8 7s are 56. This is multiplication fact. Okay. B and C you have to do by your own. You already know this. Next is multiply. Okay. A, B, C. Which one I do? A, B, C. B1. Okay. B1 I will do. A and C you have to do by your own. First, this is ones and this is tens. So 8 threes are. Okay, 8 threes are, because once we have to do. So 8 threes are 24. So 4 is here and 2 will be carry out. Now 8 nines are. 8 nines are 72. 72 plus 2. So 73, 74. So answer is 744. Okay. There are, now next is word problem. There are 8 bottles in a carton. How many bottles are there in each carton? So 8 into 12 that you have to multiply, means 12 into 8. There is 20 buttons on a packet. How many buttons are there in a 8 packet? So 20 into 8. Answer is 160, because 8 twos are 16 and 0 will be there. So 160 is the answer. Okay, I hope you understand all this thing. So exercise 4B that you have to complete today itself. Thank you.